Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. Chief Justice Bryan Sykes is moving to clear the air on how Jamaica's judiciary will treat breaches under the newly implemented Demerit point system. In outlining the court's position, the Chief Justice emphasized that road traffic violations are criminal offences and will be handled as such within the judicial system. He explained that motorists who fail to pay their traffic tickets will be required to appear before the court, where their matters will be tried under both the Road Traffic Act of 1938 and the Road Traffic Act of 2018.
Under the 1938 Act, the role of the Island Traffic Authority was to certify the points. Under the 2018 Act, the Island Traffic Authority records the points when it receives the order from the court. This is what the statute says. It is important to note that the 2018 Act also preserves important judicial functions. In particular, Section 35 empowers the court to disqualify a person from holding or obtaining a driver's license or permit in prescribed circumstances.
Justice Sykes further explained that under the 2018 legislation, the court is mandated to impose disqualification order upon conviction for certain offences. These include both first and subsequent convictions for reckless and dangerous driving.
When a person appears before the court and the circumstances require disqualification, the court is obliged to make the appropriate order. This clarification is intended to ensure that members of the public understand that the courts have continued to exercise only those powers expressly conferred by the applicable legislation.